everybody, good morning. It's morning here. Got a lot of stuff ahead, but I wanted to go ahead and make a video before I got rolling and got too busy to stop. I was on the ball when Optic came out, and every day I was watching for Optic retail to release. I didn't know the exact date, and I kept watching, but then it didn't come out, it didn't come out, it didn't come out. So somewhere along the line, I stopped looking, and then I looked the other day, and boom, there it is, of course. So that's what we have here. 2 of the value packs and 1 blaster. Now I'm kind of wishing I'd ordered a bit more, but whatever, this is fine. We basically just want to, see what the stuff looks like. So this is going to have exclusive lime green parallels. And the blaster, let's see what its claim to fame is. Fine rated. It just says +3 card bonus pack with pink parallels. So pink and lime green, that's what we're looking for here. And a good player name. Alright, let's see what we get. Oh Lord, those lime green are very bright. Lindor, Freeman, Berrios, Encarnacion, Molina. These are stuck together. Real Muto, Stanton, Corbin Burns rookie, Ponce de Leon rookie, Alex Bregman Diamond Kings, Yelich highlights. Oh, there's my Vlad Jr. rookie that I was looking for in the hobby boxes and never got. Although this is the rookie's insert version, but still. Then we have, wow, those are bright. They look yellow. Marte, Rodon, Ty France, rated rookie, and Castanera, rated rookie. Not too bad. Although I would, if I saw those in a store and had not read what was on this pack, I would call those yellow rather than green. All right, Judge, Kershaw, Fulte, Crawford, Newcomb, stuck together. Work with me here. I'm trying to make an hour-long video. Newcomb, Robles, Willie Calhoun, Silver Hollow. There's my Kikuchi. Acuna, Diamond Kings, Bryce Wilson, Chris Davis, Action All-Stars, Trey Turner, Illusions, and then my yellow/greens are stuck together. Bader, Gleyber, not bad. Oh, Ohtani Diamond Kings, parallel, not bad. And Brendan Rodgers, although lots of people have cooled their jets on Mr. Ohtani. Alright, let's cut into this blaster box. Second half of this video is going to be me opening a care package from a friend that I made here through the channel. I'm super excited about it. So if you want to see that, then hang around after this is over and I'll show you what I got. Alright, there is the bonus pack. Get into these. Ooh, I forgot I need to open one of these cleanly. Let's see if I can do it. There we go. Alright, Machado, Acuna, there's Casey Mize, rated prospect, that's not bad, and Gonzalez, rookie. By the way, I didn't say it out loud, but that second value pack was way better than the first. Arenado, Ramos, Soto highlights, and Berrios Diamond Kings. Scherzer, Cruz, Laureano hollow silver, and Valdez rated rookie. Brian Anderson, Rizzo, Peak Performers JD Martinez, and All Stars Bryce Harper. Not bad, not bad. 2 more regular packs, and we'll check out the parallels. Nola, Rosario, Mike Trout, Action All-Stars, cool. And Michael Perez, rated rookie. Paxton Marte, a Garrett Cole parallel, and Matt Chapman Diamond Kings. Alright. See what we got here. Well, these definitely do look pink. Albies, Ty France again. That's funny. I don't remember getting that player in either of the hobby boxes. Then he showed up twice in retail. And Keston Euro. So I guess these tend to come back to back, because they did in the other parallels and they did again here. Alright, that's it. That's Optic Retail. Hang around if you want to see the gift box. Everybody take care. Hope you're having a great day. See you in a few. Okay, so this is a package from a friend I made through the channel. She has been really good to me and sent me some amazing stuff for my personal collection. I showed it to you guys in another video. I've actually had this for a couple of days. I've been really excited to open it, so I kind of just held on to it and let the excitement build, and I went in and cut it open, but I didn't peek, so you guys are going to see it with me for the first time. I cannot wait. I cannot wait. She has sent me some of the best stuff. Alright, let's get into it. Let's see. Sitting down there at the bottom. Let's see what this brick is. Like Christmas. And you guys know I love Christmas. Alright, starting in the middle. There's something for the PC, a Piazza flashback, which I did not have. I love Diamond Kings. Topps debut, which I did not have. Which I should have had, but again, you got to remember, I had a huge collection that I sold off when I stopped collecting a while back, so it's been a real process to try to rebuild. Oh wow, this looks, I didn't have this either. This is an awesome card. What's on the back? Oh, and the mini! Alright, so far these two are my favorite. I used to have this. This is something that I got rid of that I'd love to have again. The Donruss Preferred 10. I thought these were so cool when these came out. I think 97 is the year I got to go. Oh! Okay, now this is officially my favorite. That is gorgeous. Number to 75 with the pinstripe. Oh, and then on the back, Diamond Cuts jersey. God, girl, you shouldn't have. This is too much. I'm blown away by this. Wow. God, that card is gorgeous. This is the Upper Deck, I think 93. I don't think I ever had this card. 96 score. I should have, but I don't remember having it. Diamond Aces. This I did have, and I think this too, but I don't anymore, so now I do again. The 93 Ultra. I love this card too. God, look how young you looked. And there too. Upper Deck. I think I did used to have these. Ah, and Flair. Excuse me. 94 Flair. I love this card too. I love the Flair products from the 90s. Alright, let's see what we got here. Oh, hang on. Gotta cut. I actually thought about buying a box of Flair the other day. Matter of fact, I told you guys I was going to open some older stuff, and I still want to do that. It's affordable, it's fun. Alright. I had said I wanted to get into some vintage. Well, here we go. 1962. Ray Ripplemeyer. God, I just love, I'm just in awe of older cards. I can't help it. Wow, I wonder if there's a Piazza of this. I remember this too from Studio. I always liked Studio. A lot of people didn't, but I did. Maybe you could say it's like a girly product or something. I don't know, but I loved it. My man, Tom Seaver. Wilton Guerrero, I remember him. He didn't have, you know, a crazy long career, but I liked him. He was scrappy. He reminded me of kind of Rafael Furcal and kind of Jose Reyes. Little chipper, little Larry Wayne. This is his 91 best rookie. And his upper deck. Look how young he looked. Oh, one of the Kmart cards. Johnny Bench. 78. There's Jack Morris. I wonder if that's his rookie. Oh yeah, rookie pictures. Derp. It's still early here, guys. Cut me some slack. Steve Yeager. Manny Mota. What year is they? What year are these? Oh crap, I didn't bring my glasses. It looks like it says 76, 81, 76. Super cool. But there's more. Hang on, let me cut this open too. I still can't get over that jersey card. Wow. Alright. Oops, hang on. I thought I cut it, but I guess I didn't. I probably should have waited till later in the day to do this when I'm more alert. But I woke up this morning missing cards because I've been working and haven't paid as much attention to them this week. And I thought, you know what? I'm going to open that package today. If I can get into hang on. I do have coffee that will help. Alright, I think I did it that time. Nope, I didn't. I've almost got it. Hang on. Oh my lord. Well, I appreciate her protecting the heck out of the cards. But this is like Fort Knox. I've got the bottom open, but I can't figure out where the tape is on the top. It's kind of dark in here, like it's going to rain today too. Which would be okay by me. Almost there. Hang on. Alright. Yep, I got it. Whew, sorry. I guess I should edit that out, but I can't promise anything. I got too much to do today. Alright. Okay, this is amazing. I've never had this. I've never even seen this. What is it? 2015 Gallery of Greats. I've never seen that. That's pretty amazing. Wow. Oh, clean shaven Piazza from Heritage. 2 of them. Check this out. And these are actually funny because they're from the little short stint he had with the A's. It seems weird to see. It seems so weird to see him in that uniform. Oh, 94 Bowman's Best. There, looks more at home in his Dodgers jerseys. 94 Fleer Team Leaders. Oh, I never had this. Pacific Revolution. I love Pacific too. I wish Pacific would come back. They had some of the best and worst card ideas and designs I've ever seen. But you've got to give them credit for being creative. Ugh, and there he is in the Padres uniform. I'd forgotten about that almost. Wonder if she's got one in here of the him and the Marlins. Surely there's... I wonder if one even exists. He was only on the team for like a week. Home Run Kings in the Padres uniform. Catfish Hunter out of 50 and Frank Charles. Did I say Charles? I can't read this morning. Chance. I was trying to say Charles. Out of 10. These are out of Cooperstown, I think. Those are gorgeous cards. A Cabrera jersey out of Allen and Ginter. A Cespedes. This is the Heritage Chrome. Oh wow, I like this. Johnny Bench from 81. Carlton Fisk from, looks like it says 80 maybe. And Mike Schmidt. You know, he wasn't the best looking guy, but I loved him. That's from 78. Those batting helmets are hilarious. Ah, I'm dropping stuff. Oh, a Nolan Ryan Archives refractor from 2002. I love that they used a younger picture of him on this. Alright. And, oh, a Barry Bonds. This is one of those phone cards. This was a pretty cool idea. I wonder if they made any of these with Piazza on them. Alright, there was something else in here. Let's see. It says, what's the side will make you smile? Alright, let's see. Hang on, let me pull it back. I don't mess it up, whatever it is. Holy crap. Wow. Wow, how did you get these? Oh man, these are, okay. These are so cool. These actually take me back to, I went to see the Mets play the Braves, and we got there early, and I stood there watching him take batting practice, and I was just, it was the first time I had ever like seen him in person, and I just remember just sitting there, just staring, just like being a fan, you know, doing what a real fan does, and I was just in awe of the whole thing, and this reminds me of that. Well, thank you so much. I cannot thank you enough. This really, really, really means a lot. Oh, I'm going to have to get something together to send it to you, and I am going to have to work on that. Be sure to answer my email about your favorite player. I want to send something back to you. All right, everybody, thanks for watching. Take care. I'll be back soon.